Imagine you want to travel and enjoy your journey in a country, but you end up spending all your hard-earned cash in the wrong places. How would you feel? Or would you like to spend it on the most amazing places that country has to offer? So to help you out, we have compiled a list of top 10 places you must visit in Croatia in this video. If you want a complete travel guide that tells about 5 hidden secret gems in Croatia that will make your traveling experience unforgettable, make sure to check out first link in the description below. Number 10. Mljet National Park. The island of Mljet's western portion has been declared as a national park. It's mostly wooded, with 2 linked turquoise saltwater lakes, one of which contains an islet crowned by a 12th century Benedictine abbey that you may visit by taxi boat. The park, which is popular with nature enthusiasts, provides a variety of activities, including exploring the various routes that meander through the woods. A 9-kilometer route runs around the lake's circumference, making it suitable for trekking or mountain riding. Number 9. The pretty town of Korcula, the main village on the same named island in South Dalmatia, is nestled on a narrow peninsula. Its car-free stone pathways are laid out in a herringbone pattern to provide shelter from the prevailing winds and are protected by medieval walls and towers. Korcula, which is densely packed with centuries-old aristocratic stone houses, was erected under the island's Venetian administration. Number 8. Zlatni Rat Beach. The most photographed beach in Croatia has to be Zlatni Rat, Golden Horn, or Golden Cape. This remarkable landform, known as a spit, is located at Pula on the south coast of Brac and runs 500 meters perpendicular to the coast. It moves and changes shape from season to season, depending on local winds and currents. Number 7. Pula's Roman Arena. The historic city of Pula, located on the Adriatic coast in Croatia's famed Istria region, is definitely worth considering on any trip itinerary. Pula is widely recognized for its well-preserved Roman architecture, in addition to its gorgeous beachfront environment, which includes a number of great beaches, and makes an excellent day trip for people vacationing in other areas of the nation. Number 6. Sailing around Kornati National Park. The Kornati Archipelago, which covers an area of 320 square kilometers and is 35 kilometers long and 13 kilometers broad, is home to 89 tiny and large islets. The islets are rocky and barren, with little productive soil, and are mostly deserted, but there are a few extremely modest stone homes strewn about. Originally constructed by local fishermen and shepherds as one-room shelters, they are now frequently utilized as holiday getaways or seasonal seafood eateries. Number 5. Zagreb's Gornji Grad. The historic Gornji Grad, Upper Town, quarter is the principal tourist attraction in Croatia's capital, Zagreb. Popular tourist attractions in this city include the cathedral, with its neo-Gothic facade and twin steeples, and the treasury, and the Croatian parliament, Hrvatski Sabor. Number 4. Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Nacionalni Park Plitvice Jezera, is Croatia's most visited interior destination, with steep wooded slopes around 16 emerald blue lakes linked by a series of roaring waterfalls. The park, the country's first national park, is crisscrossed by a network of pathways and wooden bridges, and admission includes boat trips across the lakes. The park is a habitat for wild creatures, including wolves and bears, though they are shy, so you are unlikely to encounter them, as well as owls, eagles, and falcons. Number 3. Hvar Town. Many people visit Croatia to see the beautiful Dalmatian islands, the most popular of which is Hvar. Hvar's stylish city is home to some of the country's greatest hotels and seafood restaurants. Its car-free old town, which dates back to Venetian control, 1420 to 1797, consists of a huge main plaza overshadowed by a 16th century church, a picturesque fishing harbor, and a hilltop stronghold. Number 2. Diocletian's Palace in Split. Split, Croatia's second largest city after Zagreb, was built within the old Roman walls of the massive Diocletian's Palace, Diocletian Palace. It was erected by Roman Emperor Diocletian, who retired here in AD 305, and overlooks the Adriatic Sea. The palace features 4 enormous gates, 3 accessible from the land, and 1 that once opened directly onto the sea. It is square in shape, more fortress than palace, and actually housed the emperor's personal guard. Number 1. Dubrovnik Old Town Walls. Dubrovnik, Croatia's most prominent tourist attraction and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is built around the spectacular Old Town, which is surrounded by strong medieval defensive walls. Any first-time sightseeing tour of the city should begin with a stroll around the city's solid ancient walls. The entire circuit is 2 kilometers long, which include fortifications, turrets, and cannons along the route. If you want more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe and comment down below your favorite destinations around the world. Let's see the best destinations in your favorite countries. Check out this playlist. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.